Welding repair is a critical task where precision is everything. Today, we're looking at how to do it right. Old or cracked welds can compromise the structural integrity of your entire project if not addressed properly. This is where Carbide Burr tools come in. They are the professional's choice for clean, aggressive material removal. Specifically, double-cut burrs are designed to produce smaller chips and a smoother finish on most metals. The goal is to gouge out the defective material cleanly, creating a perfect groove for the new weld bead. Unlike traditional grinding wheels, Carbide burrs remove material without smearing or clogging the surface. The precision of the burr allows you to remove only what's necessary, preserving the surrounding base metal. Damaging the base metal can weaken the joint. Burr tools give you the control to stay exactly where you need to be. The aggressive cutting action makes quick work of even the hardest weld materials, including stainless steel. This leaves you with a consistent, clean finish that is ready for inspection and immediate re-welding. Because carbide is so hard, these tools maintain their edge much longer than standard steel bits. They also generate less localized heat, which is vital for preventing further stress cracking in sensitive alloys. Step 1. Clean the area. Always start by removing surface contaminants like oil, grease, or paint. Next, ensure your tool is running at the correct RPM for the burr size and the material you're cutting. Start the gouge at one end of the crack and work your way through, ensuring you reach the bottom of the defect. Always wear full face protection. Those carbide chips are sharp and travel at high speeds. Inspect the groove to make sure every bit of the old, cracked material has been removed. Any remaining crack will spread. You're looking for a clean, bright metal surface with no inclusions or dark spots. This is your foundation. With the defective material gone, you're ready to lay down a strong, reliable weld that will last. Taking the time to prep with carbide burrs saves hours of rework and prevents catastrophic failures later. From automotive repair to heavy industrial maintenance, this technique is a standard for quality work. It's not just about quality, it's about efficiency. Get the job done faster without sacrificing precision. Remember, clean the area, gouge out the defect entirely, and respect the base metal. That's the carbide advantage. The result? A repair that is often stronger than the original part. Quality you can trust. Thanks for watching. Now, go get to work and make those repairs count.